If you're seeing the Epic Games sign-in failed AS-3 error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that usually solve it fast. This issue is often connected to your internet connection, VPN settings, or a problem with the Epic Games launcher itself. The good news is you can usually fix it without needing any advanced technical skills. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes and tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause the Epic Games launcher to fail when trying to sign in. If you're on Wi-Fi, try moving closer to your router or switching to a more stable network if possible. You can also restart your router to refresh the connection. Just unplug it, wait about 30 seconds, and plug it back in. After that, give it a minute to reconnect fully, then try signing in again. Next, restart your PC. This may sound simple, but a quick restart can clear temporary glitches that may be affecting the launcher or your network connection. Once your computer comes back on, open Epic Games Launcher and try logging in again to see if the AS-3 error is gone. Another important step is to turn off your VPN if you're using one. Epic Games can sometimes block or struggle with sign-in attempts when a VPN is active, especially if the server location looks unusual or unstable. Disable the VPN completely, then close the launcher, reopen it, and try again. In many cases, this alone can fix the sign-in failed AS-3 issue. If the error still appears, the next step is to reinstall the Epic Games Launcher. A damaged or corrupted Epic Games Launcher installation can definitely cause login problems. To do this, uninstall the launcher from your computer, then download the latest version directly from the official Epic Games website and install it again. After the reinstall, sign in with your account and check whether the error is resolved. It's also a good idea to make sure your system and launcher are fully up to date before trying again. Outdated software can sometimes create connection or authentication issues, so after reinstalling, launch the app fresh and test your login one more time. At this point, most users will find the AS-3 sign-in error is fixed. The main things to remember are check your internet, restart your PC and router, disable any VPN, and reinstall the launcher if needed. Those steps solve the majority of Epic Games login problems. If this tutorial helped you out, please tap the like button and subscribe to the channel for more gaming troubleshooting guides, PC fixes, and easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.